Hello friends, welcome back. Friends, today we will see what is the hidden motives of third party. What third party is planning and plotting and what they want from your partner. Let's see their motives. After tarot also you can take a look. The chariot card, actually, third party is still thinking that they can win your partner back or whether they can get success in this relationship, or since they don't know that this relation has come to an end or there is no future for it, but then too they are hoping that some miracle happens and your person comes back into their life. Knight of Wands, in the past, from so many times, your person was in and out continuously, even from the third party situations life. They though they were have publicly accepted third party in front of everyone, and they have given them that name if they were married, and even if they were not married they have declared to their friends that they were in relationship with the third party and all that things. So now the third party has come into doubt about all these things. They know that this person is not going to give me that name, that name that I want to, that I am the girlfriend or boyfriend of this person, and I am the spouse of this person. This kind of thing they are going to take away from them. That's the now that the doubt has completely raised in their mind, and they know that, and they are discussing also with some other people. So third party is actually planning, as you can say, that the hidden motive is that they want that name, how somehow this person again comes back into my life, and they give me that recognition, the public recognition, because if once the public recognition is given, a stampede is given, so they know that this person will not leave me immediately, or this person will not go anywhere. So they are planning, all these hidden motives are there. They are definitely discussing these things with some other person also, that's for sure. They actually, the temperance card, they were hoping that after this huge major fight also this person will come back and they will have a sort of reunion also, but a tower card is coming out immediately after temperance card. So all the planning and all those things they have thought about, all those things have failed completely. All these things have failed completely, but still they are hoping that this person comes back, and they are discussing something with the other, that at least they don't take away their name, or publicly they have announced on their social media that this I was in relationship with, or this or that. They don't take away that status from them. So they are discussing with their some close friends or relatives, that the hope it doesn't happen. This is a hidden motive of the third party, because if that name is going to stay with them, so they know they have chances of this person coming back, and they have a chances of reunion back. But now this thing, a tower card is coming, so all this planning and all this is not going to work out, because you see how the card is coming. This is the name of the tarot actual cards. So, and this is how they are just going to be heartbroken, completely heartbroken, and it will take a long time for this heart to repair. You can, this pain to repair, you can say. This pain is going to be so bad for them now, it will take very long time to heal also, you can say. So the hidden motive is that this person doesn't take away publicly this name, or they publicly don't announce in their friends and everyone that I have broken up with this girl or with this boy, so that the status or the enjoyment they were having because of that person's name, that doesn't go with that. They are planning. Got me what I'm trying to say, what this person is trying to do. They want that, they are not much bothered about this person's feelings, they are bothered about the name, the materialistic the things they were getting from because of this person, and the things they were enjoying because of that person's name. They want those things. You can completely make out this person was completely materialistic, and they were only because of material things they were in your person's life. Yeah, you got me? Completely materialistic, and they were completely for this thing in their person's life. See, Now the person, this person is keeping a lot of strength, because they have hidden motives that the person come close to them and they end up into a long term commitment or a long term relationship. These only things the third party is hoping continuously. They are hoping continuously. Either they may be trying to sexually seduce a person also by sending them messages or something. The Prince of Air is also card of message, so they may also continuously trying to woo back your person by sending messages or love messages or anything, something like that, because this is the hidden motives of this person. They are trying inside, you don't know that, but this person is trying from behind. So somehow I win this person back in my life. If this person comes back into my life, I will have all my materialistic things, all my dreams will come true. I will have a name, fame, everything what they desire. This person can fulfill all their wishes. So these wishes, they think if this person is going to take away that name from them, that wishes are not going to be fulfilled. But now your person is getting wisdom. Your wisdom card is coming. So your person has got wisdom. They are realizing that this person was only because of my money or because of something, some bad materialistic benefit that person was getting from me. They were not in love with me. Now they are realizing this. So all these plans of third party, whatever they are planning and plotting and whatever they are doing, it's all going to be going in a garbage bin, you can say that. It's nothing is going to work out, because the Tower card is prominent, and this is this is going to come as a shock for the third party, and it will take a lot of time for the third party to heal from this situation, because the confidence level they were having because of your person and how much love they have given them, the confidence level only has made them think about all this planning and plotting and all these things, that they can win your person back. But now all this is going to come down, so all this is going to give a great shock to your third party, you can say big shock, जोर का झटका in Hindi we say जोर का झटका. Big, you can say a big kind of earthquake kind of thing is going to be there for this person. Angels of direction, 4 direction, all these angels are directing your person, you can say all the directions of angels are directing your person, or you can say that whatever inner work you are doing, all those angels or guidance you are asking from angels, all those angels are helping you to get your person the wisdom. A new beginning is definitely I see in your person's life. They are just see this child, like when a new beginning, when a new birth of a relationship. So your person has already thought about you, and their spirit is guiding them, their friends are guiding them. So I don't think now whatever things the third party is going to plan, it's not going to work out for at all, that's for sure, because now this is a completely new slate, you can say. Just see how the a new slate is drawn and a new page has come, and a person is ready to draw a new picture on it. So all those with memories with third parties and all those things with the love with the third parties is not going to work out, because they have completely tore that page, you can say that, and they are ready with a new page and a new beginning, you can say. Okay friends, hope you got some idea what third party is planning, but don't worry, God is in universe and angels, everyone is with you, helping you and your person. So be strong, be confident, and thank angels for this. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Thanks.